Here.
Hi! So hi. We're at the boardwalk right now. We're having so much fun. Don't ask how we got here.
Oh my god, guys, my earring! Oh, I dropped it! Oh my god! It was snow! Oh my god! My earring! I gotta put it on. Hi! I'm still recording us, so I just dropped my earring. Okay, so we got here very terribly. So it's like 25 minutes. And it's like 5 minutes from our house. That was loud. Oh, that's oh my god! Didi! Yo, she's like pulling my ears. It's not that big, okay? I used to take my ears back when I was small because I didn't want them to grow. Alright, get this thing out of my face. Alright, I already seen yours now. What the fuck?
What's this shot there?
Alright, ready? Let's do bala. Come on, let's do bala. Let's do bala. Right.
Guys, can we get where we're heading?
Oh, my pants.
Okay, stop. What's that?
Like falling.
Somebody say pants like falling.
I'm a bird.
Oh, no, Donna. Say I'm a bird. I'm a bird. No. I'm a bird.
I love you like that.